Hi everyone! Welcome back to With the Cooks. This is our car vlogging mukbang after the workday BS video. What's up guys? It's been a super long day. We're here in the car and we're trying out the new Burger King cheesy tots that came back. So we decided to stop by and give them a shot and see how good they are. Trevor, what do you think? Do you think they're gonna be good? He's always so opinionated about everything. But yeah, we're gonna set this up and give them a shot and let's see how this goes. We decided to get some onion rings, the new cheesy tots, and some of the chicken fries, and then we've also got some buttermilk ranch or just regular ranch, the ranchy ranch kind of ranch, to dip them in to see how these are. Now I remember having those cheesy tots when I was a kid, and I guess for a limited time they brought them back. So we're gonna I get so excited when I get new things to do. This is the way I can vlog, the way we're doing it right now. So I've got my BK chicken fries, Trevor's driving, he helped me set up the mount. This is a glorious day, everyone. Round of applause, please. So we're gonna give these a try. I'm freaking starving. I barely ate today, I feel like. If you've ever gone to Burger King, I had chicken fries, taste them. So first things first, this is a crazy week for us. We have our friend in town, our best friend Evan from Arizona. So he's staying in our half put together studio room right now that we need to finish. So I'm really gonna be lucky if I'll be able to do 2 vlogs this week, or 2 videos in general. Between work and the dogs and Evan spending time before he leaves on Friday, I think we're just gonna be too busy. So hence why the driving home vlog, mukbang food thing we're doing right now. I don't know if you noticed, another cool thing is I got one of our logos done. I can't say our logos because it's just me and Rue, but it was a pre-concept idea before I knew that Trevor even wanted to do this with me, which I feel like he still doesn't really doesn't want to participate, but he's going to because he loves me and he likes food. So it happens. That's what love is. Putting up with your spouse's weird crap they do. Forgive the slight shaky cam issue we're having. So tell me in the comments below what you think of our new logo. I love it. It really does like jump and lick your toes and shit. So I think that video works out great, especially when I have food. She thinks everything I eat, she has to eat too. You want a chicken fry? I'll feed you. I can't remember the last time I had Burger King. One of my dad's favorite places to eat was Burger King, and I never knew why. Because he had so many other options, but he just really dug Burger King. So, I procrastinated long enough. It's time to try one of these. Oh, wait. New. Ooh. Jeez, that took forever to focus. Anyway, so link down below, or comment down below, link down below. Comment down below if you had these before, or if now that they're back, you've tried them again. and let me know if you like them. They look like this. They look like little regular tater tots. It's supposed to be like hash browns with cheese in them. Alright. It definitely tastes like I remember when I was a kid. So, we're currently driving home. We have to take Rue. Rue is in adult training. Like, dog training. So she's learning how to, like, come, stay, walk on a, she knows how to walk on a leash. But, like, if she gets too far on a leash where you could be like, hey, come back, and she actually listens to you and comes back, which is very rare. So, just those little things that help. Because she's going to be as of tomorrow, she'll be 1 in a month. When did our little girl get so big?
She's been growing up.
No. I wasn't ready for this. I just eat my cheesy tots. It tastes like sadness. She's just... Here's the thing. She's my baby. We have Dozer. And I raised him from a puppy at my dad's house. So he's my baby too. But he's trained. He doesn't act up. He doesn't lash out. He just, you know, wants to cuddle and love you. And eat your food. That's about the extent of his excitement. He's a good boy. If you had to choose one of our children, which one would you choose?
Depends on the day.
Rue's going through a phase right now that's infuriating Trevor.
Asshole phase.
Where if our garage door is open, I think I've talked to you guys about this before. If the garage door is open and she sees the opportunity to run out, she will. And not just run out, but like run into the street, run across the street into her neighbor's yard where they have rabbits. Because she wants to play with them. She thinks that they're small like her and there's something that she can play with. But ultimately, she's still running into the street. So when we chase her and we're like, hey, get back here, come here, come here. She thinks it's a game. So then she runs faster and makes these noises like she's talking to you. And is like, haha, come catch me. I'm going to go to the rabbits. And it's so dangerous and it's so scary. Because you're just like, you're going to die. So Trevor the other day, what happened, honey? When you had to chase Rue?
I don't know. I don't remember.
He's literally talking out loud. He's like, come here, Rue. I'm going to break your legs. I love you so much. Oh my God, I'm going to strangle you. He was so mad. But he was mad out of like being scared because she was running in the street. We didn't know. I mean, we haven't lived in our new place very long, so we don't know how fast the neighbors go down the streets. You know, for all we know, they do like 75 NASCAR lengths down the street in 1.2 seconds and could easily run over a tiny little black bean of a dog. So, it's just scary as a dog parent. Do your dogs? Okay. If anybody else's dog does the same thing, comment down below and say, right here, raise my hand. You know, for all we know, they do like 75 NASCAR lengths down the street in 1.2 seconds and could easily run over a tiny little black bean of a dog. So, it's just scary as a dog parent. Do your dogs? Okay. If anybody else's dog does the same thing, comment down below and say, right here, raise my hand, I'm in that, and how did you fix it? Because we're going to dog training for it because we don't want her to get hurt, but at the same time, someone's told me that it's kind of a bully breed thing, like French bulldogs and English bulldogs, so they're just stubborn. And that worries me because, like, okay, so that's something that I can't ever leave my garage door open because she's just gonna bolt her entire life and go play in the street. Like, great. That's great. Hey. How's your day today?
Tiring.
Tiring. Want onion ring?
No, thank you.
You're crazy. Do you even like Burger King?
Yeah? I'm just not in the mood right now.
What are you in the mood for?
A shower and a nap.
Said the wise man. I'm in the mood for Starbucks tea. Ooh. I'm gonna make some of that when I get home. I have a lot of the Tivana Starbucks teas. And my favorites right now is strawberry black tea. And it's super, super good. Probably one of my favorites. And what kind of tea do you like? Are you a coffee person? I'm not a coffee person. Trevor's a coffee person. The taste of coffee tastes just like bitter, dirty gym socks. To me. Trevor thinks it's good. He likes the coconut, cold brew, vanilla something or other. I don't remember. Something kind of frou-frou-y. Which some people argue is not real coffee. But hey. When I was a kid, I thought coffee was caramel frappuccinos from Starbucks, which probably has about this much coffee in it. So I really have no room to judge. What can you do? This is the last one. Oh, 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 oh. It was Dr. Evil for a second. Did you see that? Probably the best impersonation I've ever done. He humored me. Well, that's the way the story goes. I just realized, it's about a 15-minute drive home. It's about how long that took me to eat that and how long it took us to get home. 15 minutes! You would think on a, what day is today? Tuesday afternoon in San Diego County during traffic time in a suburb area and a freeway, it'd be way busier. And we'd be sitting in traffic. Like, getting to work takes us like 25 minutes. It's stupid. But either way, it's still good. We made it home. Evan's here, like I said. So we get to, like, hang out, watch movies, and they're gonna drink beer and do silly stuff that boys do. I'm just gonna hang out, I guess. thank you everyone for watching our car mukbang eating. I don't know why I'm saying our. You just drove and didn't say a word because you're not exciting.
No, I'm just tired.
He's playing Pokemon, that's why. Pokemon Go. What'd you catch? Huh? What'd you catch?
A Pokemon.
What's it called? He caught a Hoot Hoot. There's certain Pokemons I love saying. Hoot Hoot, Sudowoodo. I don't know why I say it, though. It's my favorite. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this car mukbang. As always, if you like what you watch, leave a comment down below. Wow, that's a tongue twister. Leave a comment down below. Like this video. Subscribe so you can always get updates on what we're doing when we put new videos up. If you click the little bell, it gives you notifications for the second I put new videos up. I keep hitting my elbow on this water bottle. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks, guys. Foodie's out.